Alright, solving a double integral real fast. Double.
1, 2, 0, bounce.
Now, first thing. Zero. Now. So that's the first part. This whole board. Here, the next integral. This one here. That's 6.1. Fantastic. Let's move on to 30 minus 4, 3, definitely. That's 1. This is equal. Now, who wants to solve this? Oh, sir, hold on, I got the calculator. Hold on. Very good. Very good. Minus 4 minus parentheses 4 divided by 3. Very good. Sir, it is 286.6. Lovely. Very awesome. Very awesome. 280 something. 280. 6. This is your volume under the curve. And the way this works is kind of think about it as you're taking the integral down the x-axis, and then you're taking the integral down the y-axis. Your volume, x and y. So there you go.